Hello and welcome to Dart Bank Insights. I'm your host, Brendan Andrews, and today we have on Bryan Clark, who's the Senior Vice President of Mortgage Banking at Dart Bank. Bryan, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you explain a little bit about the home buying process if someone is sort of trying to buy their first home and they have no idea of where to start?
Well, I think the first thing is you want to start with a local lender, first and foremost. Yeah, that's before you even really start to thinking about homes and what you'd like. It's wise to get with a local lender. And the reason for that is we can tell them, the home buyer, we can tell them how much they qualify for. So, what price range should they be looking in? And then secondly, we can talk to them about loan programs and the corresponding down payments that would be required, and do they have the available funds to be able to make that purchase. So that's really step one. We can evaluate the credit, we can evaluate income, we can evaluate some of the important items and get those out of the way prior to actually looking for a house and securing a home. So that would be step one. After we've secured that pre-approval or that pre-qualification, then it's time to reach out to a local realtor and have them start to show homes that are in the price range. Once the realtor's found a home, an offer is written and hopefully accepted. And then we really begin our loan process at that point, where the home is appraised, the loan is underwritten by one of our underwriters, and we move to closing typically within about 30 days from that happening.
If you're a younger adult looking to buy a home right now, what are some tips or advice you have for them?
There are low down payment options available for any home buyer that might qualify, and I think one of the biggest things that young home buyers worry about is the lack of a down payment. And we have a plethora of loan programs that allow for, like I said earlier, as little as 0% down. Not everyone qualifies for that, but my advice would be seek out the advice of a professional, because we can certainly advise you on what's available. Many people are concerned about their student loan payments. Young home buyers are concerned about student loan payments. We have programs that we can work with student loan debt as well. So those would probably be the two pieces of advice I would have is, seek out a professional, because we can help you through that student loan issue as well as the down payment issue that many people are concerned about.
Excellent. Well, that wraps up today's Dart Bank Insights podcast. Thank you, Bryan, for being on the show. Look forward to having you back on.
Great. Thank you very much.